Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy, and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. We meet here every Sunday at 11 a.m. Plus, I do bonus videos within the week, and this is a bonus video. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share. Let's get into it. Shack is now on Barnett Street across from the bus park. They also have a location at Barnett Tech Park and Witter Village. I haven't been to Witter Village for a while, so I haven't seen that one. You can take a look at the Barnett Tech Park location. I think I visited the latter part of last. Number 2, I stopped by Harmony Beach Park to see if it was open and if there was any noticeable damage from last week's weather. The whole beach area has been cordoned off. Let's have a look. Oh, and based on a TikTok I saw recently, Pier 1 is open. They fixed any damages incurred from the weather last week. Number 3, next stop was Harbour City Shopping Center. I was pleasantly surprised to see that they are open. Here's what I was able to capture. I even stayed until the evening to see what it looked like.
It changes colors, all green now, blue. So you start thinking about